Hi, welcome to 4Seller channel. This video will guide you how to use SPU management. At 4Seller, if you want to use the SPU management, you need to set 3 steps. 1. Support the creation of SPU manually or automatically to facilitate the rapid establishment of product database. 2. Support selecting SPU to publish. No need to fill in the listing information repeatedly. 3. Support associated products and SPU manually or automatically for synchronized update. Now let us begin by the first step, Create SPU. Click Listings SPU Management Catalog to enter the SPU catalog interface. And then click Create button. Here you need to fill in the product information, SPU. Remember that SPU is unique and can't be repeated. Fill in title, you can select tags and group. Choose no variation. And then fill in the variant information. You can choose to apply the existing SKU, so that you don't need to input SKU information manually. Click the green button, you can replace reference or cancel reference. Click Edit, you can edit the SKU information you select. You can also choose the second option, has variation. Choose different variant attributes for your products, color, size, or add other variation. You can also choose to refer to the existing inventory SKU, replace or dereferenced, edited or deleted other operations. You can add product images, product description, and product attributes. You can upload product certification here. Choose Has Template, select the category will bring up the preset template information, submit as required. You can also add other certification information. Choose No Template, add their own certification information. Fill in the certification name and certification type in the pop-up box and upload relevant information. After you fill in information, click Save. Now let me show you how to create SPU automatically. Click Auto Create button, the page will enter the setting page. Turn on the Auto Association SPU or SKU, and turn on the Unassociated Products Automatically Create SPU or SKU. Choose a store to create SPU automatically and select Status of Products, and then click Save. The created SPU will be displayed in the SPU list, and you can publish it to the store, edit it, associate products, and delete it. Now let me show you how to select SPU to publish. Click Publish to Shop button. In the pop-up box, check the stores to be published, check whether it is associated with the current SPU or SKU, and you can also set the publishing rules. And then choose Confirm. Wait for the progress bar to finish loading, and click Next. Then you can jump to the draft page of the corresponding publishing platform for editing and publishing. You can also choose to push to store in bulk. Select different SPU, and then click Publish to Shop button. In the pop-up box, check the stores to be published, check the information, and then click Confirm. Wait for the progress bar to finish loading, and click Next. Then you can jump to the draft page of the corresponding publishing platform for editing and publishing. You can refer to SPU publishing when you create product drafts. At the draft page, click Create button. Then hover the mouse over the reference product and click Refer to SPU. Filter and select the referenced SPU in the pop-up box and wait for the progress bar to finish loading, and then click Refresh to automatically quote the relevant SPU product information. Or you can choose Reference SPU and then click Create button. The page will jump into the SPU creation page. You can create a new SPU here. Step 3. Associate products and SPU manually or automatically for synchronized update. Click Settings button, choose Listing Settings, Sync Settings, and turn on the Auto Association of SPU or SKU button. This function can help you associate products and SPU automatically. You can associate SPU manually. Click Catalog page. 1. To click Associated Products on the SPU catalog page. In the pop-up box, you can quickly filter the products, check the online products that need to be associated, and click Confirm. 2. Select the product you want to associate in the SPU list page and click Edit to enter the details page. Slide down to the Related Products column, click on the related product. Check the online products to be associated in the pop-up box and click Confirm. If you want to change or cancel associations, you can click on the link of the product you have already linked, and you will be redirected to the product list page. And then click Edit, enter the product details page, slide down to 4Seller Set, Related SPU column, click the Edit symbol. You can choose to edit Relate or cancel Relate. And finally, click Settings, Listing Settings, Sync Settings. You can turn on the product updates are automatically synchronized with SPU or SKU. Function. Select the store for updating information, check the update information, and finally click Save. After open this function, you can synchronize the update information of the source product of the generated SPU or SKU to the generated SPU or SKU. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe for Seller channel. We will update new feature video continuously. If you encounter any problems, please scan our WhatsApp QR code to contact with For Seller customer service.